My name is Mia and welcome to my channel. And if you're on my blog, welcome to my blog. So I love to DIY and design, and I created a blog slash YouTube channel to share the things I love to do. So when you come to my channel, expect to, I guess, get a front row seat into what I do, what I love, my lifestyle and my passion, and also the occasional train tracks that you hear in the background. So I'm kind of like, some refer to me as a Jane of all trades. However, I just look at myself as a tenacious sponge. I really like what I like. And when I like what I like, I get into what I like. Really. First project on this channel is revamping my home, which I title it the Project Oasis. During that time, I'm going to show you different phases of my home that I moved in about 3 years ago, and I am going to walk you through some of the processes, some of the changes, and the whole thing is that I'm making it more so a reflection of me, because I love vintage furniture, I love eclectic designs, I love culture. You're gonna see it. It's gonna be freaking awesome. Also, I'm gonna do some urban homesteading, in other words, urban gardening, because I love fruit, I love vegetables, and I also love the ability that if I'm hungry, I don't have to go to the store for certain things. I can just walk to my backyard and get it. What's the point of an oasis with no garden? I mean, come on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more. You're going to see me hit some power tools. I mean, it's going to get real in this house. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm somewhat getting amped now just thinking about it. It's just static. Like, I got miter saws, I got jigsaws, I got sawzalls, I don't know. I'm just so excited. So this is my thing. I hope you enjoy. I hope you join. And I hope I inspire. That's the biggest thing, because I am all about inspiration, motivation, and hey, let's do this. Go ahead, hit that subscribe and come on for the ride. Yes.